Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and by the end of this video you're going to have 3 massive tips if you're starting your trading journey. Now this can obviously apply to anyone that's beginning or anyone that is having trouble with consistently making money trading. I don't know how you've kind of got into the trading scene, so that is going to be kind of a difference as to where you start and your mindset towards trading. But I'm going to be giving basically 3 massive tips that I would have liked to receive if I was going to be starting my trading journey again. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Literally takes 1 second to do, and we come up with 3 videos per week, covering all sorts of topics. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. The purpose of Trade Happy is to help you guys trade stress-free. So if there's any kind of videos that you feel will kind of help you with that, then put it in the comments below and I'll be happy to get back to you on that. But yeah, before we get into the video, the question of the day is, what would you change, if anything, if you were going to start your trading journey again from day one? What kind of piece of advice would you give, or would you change anything when you were going to start trading from day one again? Put it in the comments below, and that is the question of the day. So let's get into the video. How to start Forex trading, 3 massive tips for anyone that is beginning their journey in the trading scene. Tip number 1 is do the work that you don't want to do, or the work that you don't feel would have a big impact on your trading, because that's where the actual gains happen. For years and years and years, I would kind of learn about psychology. Didn't really learn about psychology. It was just kind of the basics on psychology, and I thought that was everything. And it was just learning about what's the perfect strategy for me. Like everyone saying, you know, are you a swing trader? Are you a day trader? You know, what time do you trade? What kind of style do you want to trade? It all means nothing. It's all just a massive waste of time, in my opinion. You can get to where you want to be a lot faster if you don't focus on those things, and instead you focus on mindset, psychology, and risk management. If you have all 3 of those down, doesn't matter what strategy you trade, you'll be fine. So yeah, I spent years going from strategy to strategy, and yeah, stick with one. It doesn't really matter what, just pick anything, and then learn risk management and psychology. The next one is to actually in the work that you don't want to actually do. What I mean by this is backtesting. Now, a lot of people will backtest 50, 100 trades. If I was to begin my trading journey again, I would probably be 1,000. I'd probably do 1,000, to be honest with you. I would be doing an hour a day for 6 months. And you know, that would be way over 1,000 trades. So that's what I would personally do. It's not fun, it's not sexy, you don't put it up on Instagram, but it gets you the results. So yeah, I would put the ego out the door and just put the work in to get the results, because I spent way too long focusing on other people and actually caring about what I was doing. Not make myself look good because I didn't post anything, but it was influenced by other traders, and it was kind of to fit into the crowd almost. It wasn't a thing of I actually want to get results. It was I like to get results, but I don't want to be doing all the boring stuff. I just want to be doing the fun strategy stuff. Yeah, so that wasted a few years. I think if you actually want to take this seriously, just backtest an hour a day for 6 months. You'll be fine. You'll do 1,000 trades and you'll be in a good place. Write down routines, sort your risk management out. That is a big one. Yeah, and just put the work in that isn't very sexy, right? That's going to get you the biggest results. The things that you're going to be doing in the background is actually where the main kind of chunk of progress is going to happen. I would say everything that you're doing in the background is 80% of the success that you're going to have. So yeah, the final tip is your trading should be boring. I know I speak about this quite a lot, but it should be boring. Boring doesn't look good on social media. You know, success is about doing those boring tasks consistently over a long period of time. Following that trading process exactly every single day over, you know, months and months and months and years. That is what is going to get you the results. Not hitting that 1 in a million trade, not hitting that special trade that goes up on Instagram. It's not going to do anything, right? That's one trade. You need to be doing it over months and months and months of consistent trading. That one trade doesn't matter. So, you know, your trading should be boring. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so I hope this kind of helped. Quite a short video, I know. If there's anything that you would want me to cover in more detail, then put it in the comments below and I'll be happy to make another video on that. But have a good day. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and remember, traders, trade happy.